and welcome to another video from Mr. Dent South Wales. Got an XC60 Volvo here. Quarter panel rear arch has been pushed in, and we're going to take this out with glue pulling and access by some hidden holes inside the car. Okay, I'll let you have a look and see what you think.
See, we've got a few ripples there.
It's basically been flattened all the way along here, and a few ripples, which is going to be tricky to get out. Also the edge is slightly waved, but I think we should get that out.
Silver is a good colour to hide the dent, with black and the dark colours being the hardest. And just to show you everything of the dent. There we are. You can see the reflections going into the ripples as we speak. So there we are. So this is the dent for today.
Okay, access. We've got this part here. It's just a bit of a side cushion. Pull that to one side, and then have got an access hole just with that. So we're going to get through this hole into that arch all the way along and carry out the repair there, as well as some glue pulling, which you'll see on this slow-mo that I'm going to do for them. Job well done, and it's all done paintless dent removal, no filler, no paint. Okay, walking down to the dent. So there we are. Let's just pan out a little bit. So this is the repair now. So what I did, flattened all the way around here, and it rippled in. Bad. There you get a little wave. So what I was just saying is this edge here is double skinned on this model, so it's very tricky to get to it. So we couldn't get in the arch, and we couldn't get in through this area here through the light at all, because we had to fill the neck. So I had to go inside, through the inside, and tack that way, and also using glue. Now the glue tool is this. Now this is a plastic tab, glue tab. I just glue it onto the panel, and then with a slide hammer I'll hook it behind and pull. And by pulling it, it'll release part of the dent. So for instance, if it was there, it'll pull the dent out there. So if you can see in the slow-mo video or time-lapse video, you will see these as I worked along the panel and tried to use a glue, especially on this bottom edge here. On this body line, to get that dent out as best as I can. Okay, I'll let you have a look at it. So there we are, making the odd wave, ripple, but we're talking minute stuff here. Okay. Okay, let's have a look from the other side. So, all done and dusted. Customer happy. Hasn't been painted. And silver's one of the hardest one to match. So, no paint on this panel. There's no blending in. There's no overspray. No filler. No polishing. No nothing. This is just paintless dent removal. Repaired by me, Justin, and Mr. Dent.